Hey guys, I'm back and I'm black and I'm stacked with a bunch of stuff to do, so let's hop in. Do you use a towel or even a robe when you wash your hair to keep you dry? If you do, I have 3 questions for you. 1. Does it stay on your shoulders or does it fall off? 2. Does it get in the way? And 3. Does it keep your clothes dry? If not, then you need Dry and Fly. Dry and Fly is a waterproof towel that is slip-free, adjustable, and is used to protect your clothes from any mess, whether it's water, makeup, or hair products. You can use it on wash day to keep you dry and on the fly, if you catch my drift. So there you have it. The one and only handmade microfiber waterproof towel designed for my naturals and my curly heads. Whether it's yours or it's a wig, stay dry and stay fly.